Hello everyone, and welcome to your video on logs and zeros. I'm going to write down a couple of true equations for you and see if you can figure out the pattern. The log of 10 is 1. The log of 100 is 2. The log of 1,000 is 3. The log of 1,000,000 is 6. Do you see a pattern here? I hope you do. You should have noticed that the number of zeros in a number that is a multiple of 10 is equal to the log. So the log of 100 has 2 zeros and the log is 2. The number 1,000 has 3 zeros, so the log of 1,000 is 3. The number 1,000,000 has 6 zeros and the log of 1,000,000 is 6. The same works with small numbers too, with a slight modification. The log of 0.01 equals -2. The log of 0.001 equals -3. The log of 0.0001 equals -4. The log of 0.0000000001 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, -10. So you see here you have to count both of those digits. And as long as your decimal point ends in 1, in other words, is divisible by 10, then everything just works out perfectly. Okay, so now the question you might have is, cool, but why does this work? Well, I'll tell you why. So we know that the log of 10 is really saying 10 raised to the what equals 10. And we also know that the answer to that is 1, right? 10 raised to the 1 is 10. Log of 100 says 10 raised to the what equals 100. And we know that it is true that 10 squared equals 100, right? 10 times 10 times 10, or 10 times 10 rather. 10 times 10. This would be 10 times itself. 1,000 is 10 to the what equals 1,000. And we know that 10 cubed is 1,000 because that's 10 times 10 times 10. And same down here with 1,000,000, 10 to the what equals 1,000,000. We know that it's 10 to the 6th that's equal to 1,000,000. 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. On this side of the aisle, over here with our numbers less than 1, something similar is going on. Let me get a different color for you here. All right, so log of 0.01 is asking us 10 to the what equals 0.01. So we know that we are going to be dealing with the negative exponent because we need to get a fraction, right? We want 1 over 10 squared. That's 1 over 100, right? So that's the 100 spot. And 1 over 10 squared is the same as 10 to the -2 because that's what our negative exponent means. It means go make it live in the basement and take away its negative sign. So live in the basement, take away the negative sign. That's how we get the -2. Here, log 0.001, we're saying 10 to the what equals 0.001. Or you could think of it like this, 10 to the what equals 1 over 1,000. That's 10 to the -3, right? Has to go in the basement, take away the negative sign. So that is why this works. And it is nice to know this because sometimes you get these easy kind of logs and it's good just to be able to do in your head. Remember, whenever we're talking about logs, we're talking about what the exponent needs to be in order to get the number that we're after. Okay, I hope this cleared things up for you and helps you understand how to quickly calculate the logs of numbers that are divisible by 10.